Improperly sealed window frames are one of the sneakiest ways pests find their way into your home without you even noticing. So, first off, make sure you check every inch of your window frames for any gaps or cracks. These little openings are basically invitations for bugs and rodents. Use a good quality weatherproof sealant to fill in those gaps, and don't just slap it on. Smooth it out so it sticks properly and keeps water and pests out. You want to do this yearly, especially before winter, because expansion and contraction from temperature shifts can mess up your seals. Another thing is to inspect the caulking around your windows. If it's cracked or peeling, that's a sign to re-caulk right away. And don't forget about the screens. Torn or loose screens are basically like open doors for tiny invaders. If you spot any damage, replace or patch them as soon as possible. Also, trim any tree branches or bushes that brush against your windows because they act like bridges for critters to hop inside. Finally, keep your windows closed when you're not home or at night, and if you love fresh air, get those screens in top shape. One of the biggest problems with improperly sealed window frames is pest invasion. Bugs like ants and spiders sneak through tiny cracks, so sealing every crack tightly stops them cold. Another issue is energy loss. When window frames are not sealed well, drafts can hike up your energy bills, so sealing helps keep your home comfy and wallet happy. Lastly, water damage can happen when rain seeps through gaps, causing wood rot and mold, so using a waterproof sealant and regular checks can fix this before it's a big headache. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want a hassle-free way to find reliable local contractors who actually know their stuff. Plus, it's a solid platform for contractors looking to connect with people ready to get their projects done right without endless searching.